You ever catch yourself scrolling through your phone and thinking, man, if I spent this time learning something new, I'd be unstoppable? Here's the truth. Your phone can be your biggest distraction or your most powerful classroom. The difference? What's on it? Today we're diving into 3 powerful apps that can help you learn faster, focus better, and grow every single day. These aren't just trendy downloads. They're tools that can turn wasted time into level-up time. The first app is Notion. If your mind ever feels like a messy desk, Notion is the clean workspace you've been waiting for. Imagine having one place to organize your study notes, set learning goals, track your progress, and build your own knowledge hub. No more scattered sticky notes. No more lost ideas. With Notion, every idea has a home, and when your thoughts are organized, your learning skyrockets. The second app is Quizlet. Let's be real. Memorizing can be boring, but Quizlet makes it actually fun. You can create digital flashcards, test yourself, and even compete in learning games. Whether you're prepping for college exams, certifications, or just picking up a new skill, Quizlet turns cramming into quick, daily wins. And here's the kicker. You can learn anywhere. On the bus, in a coffee shop, during a study break. No excuses. And number 3, Duolingo. You've probably heard of it, but if you've never given it a real shot, this is your sign. Learning a language can open doors to travel, jobs, and new cultures, and Duolingo makes it addictive, in the best way. Bite-sized lessons, daily streaks, progress that actually feels fun. It's like having a personal coach in your pocket pushing you to grow every day. But here's the thing. Downloading the apps is easy. Using them daily is where the real magic happens. That's how average learners turn into high performers. Start with just 10 minutes a day. Notion for organizing, Quizlet for memorizing, Duolingo for expanding your world. That's 30 minutes that can completely reshape your future. Picture this. A year from now, you open your phone, not for doom scrolling, but to see how far you've come. A sharper mind, new skills, bigger opportunities, all because you turned your phone into your learning weapon. So here's your challenge. Download one of these apps today. Not tomorrow. Today. Start small. Stay consistent. And watch how fast you grow. If this fired you up, hit that like button. Drop a comment with your favorite learning app, and subscribe for more daily motivation. Because the best investment you'll ever make is in you. Because greatness doesn't wait. It starts the moment you decide to learn.